Navigating the seas requires sailors to adhere to specific rules, especially when visibility is compromised. Rule 19 of the International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea outlines essential precautions to ensure safety during these challenging conditions. This rule comes into play when vessels cannot see one another, such as during fog, heavy rain, or snow. Understanding and implementing Rule 19 is crucial for every mariner. The first principle under Rule 19 stresses the importance of maintaining a safe speed. As visibility decreases, the risks of collisions dramatically increase, making it vital for vessels to slow down. Additionally, engines must be ready for immediate maneuvering. This preparation is not just a precaution but a necessary measure. It prepares the vessel to react quickly should another vessel appear unexpectedly out of the mist or rain, hinting that speed can be a matter of life and death in these scenarios. Another pivotal component of Rule 19 is the proper use of radar. When fitted, radar becomes a crucial tool for detecting other vessels. Mariners must utilize radar plotting or equivalent methods to assess potential collision risks effectively. However, the radar is only one part of the equation. Maintaining a proper lookout with both sight and hearing is equally important. Sailors should pay close attention to sound signals and continuously monitor radar information, as such vigilance can provide further assurance in detecting nearby vessels. The execution of safe maneuvers is critical when navigating in reduced visibility. According to Rule 19, decisions made based solely on radar observations should be approached with caution. Avoid changing course to port for a vessel located forward of your beam unless overtaking. Similarly, altering course towards a vessel abeam or abaft is discouraged, emphasizing the need to develop a solid understanding of the position of other vessels. This careful analysis is integral in avoiding potentially catastrophic collisions. Finally, if there is a risk of collision, swift action must be taken. The appearance of a vessel's fog signal or a close proximity display on radar should prompt immediate action. Reduce speed to the bare minimum needed to stay the course. In some circumstances, halting completely until conditions improve may be the safest option. Therefore, Rule 19 serves as a vital reminder. During reduced visibility, slow down, prepare your engines, use technology wisely, and always prioritize safety for all shipmates.